I'm sorry. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Mm, mm,
Wow. Happy Friday, my dear me. Can you see me clearly, my dear? Oh, wow. Can you hear me well, my dear? Okay, good. Okay, so, my dear, how are you today?
Um, to uh, back back then, uh, when doing Arabic.
Oh, back pain, my dear?
No, yes, back then.
Oh, no. Back pain?
Yes,
Oh, no. What happened, my dear?
uh, because of doing Arabic.
Oh, so you've been exercising, my dear? Exercise?
No, uh,
Aerobics?
yes,
Okay, aerobics. Wow. Is it an exercise, my dear?
yes,
An exercise.
yeah.
So what do you do, my dear? Do you like stretch?
Uh,
No?
no,
What
yes.
do you Oh, what do you usually do?
Uh, I usually. Mm, I usually um
Aerobics. Wow, what's that?
yeah oh mm, I usually dance.
Dance? Wow.
Yes,
Dance. Like,
dance.
mm, you are not only a singer, but you're also a dancer. Wow.
Oh no. Uh yeah. Mm,
Yeah.
no.
No, but you know
Because
how to dance.
uh because it is a subject in the school subject at
Ah,
school.
okay.
Wow.
So you don't have any choice but to dance?
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay. But I think because of that, you are now
Oh, a little.
A little?
Yes.
Okay. But which one do you like, my dear? Do you like to dance or do you like to sing? Which
Mm,
one do you like? To sing or to dance?
Uh, I like sing.
Oh, wow. Can you say it again, my dear? I like to.
I like to sing.
Okay, to sing and dance. To sing and dance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, to sing and dance. But, my dear, did you eat your dinner? Did you eat your dinner?
Us.
Oh, wow. What did you eat, my dear?
Yeah. I eat.
Yes, what did you eat, my dear?
Uh, I eat. Uh, mm, eat the roasted, roasted, roasted bird. Roasted.
Ah,
Uh,
rooster?
yes.
Oh,
Roasted bird.
oh, wow. What else, my dear?
Uh, and vegetable.
Ah, I see. Vegetables. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, vegetables. Hmm. How about soup?
Oh no, no,
Oh.
no. So
Mhm. But is it cold in your country right now, my dear?
yeah.
Is it cold?
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
No. Uh. Mm, yes. Yes.
Oh,
My country is cold.
that's what they call, my dear, December feels.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, December. And it will be January. It will be January. Mm, in the next few days.
Oh yes.
Yes. And by January, I think cold season is over, right? Or no?
Oh no,
Ah,
no.
no. Oh, so
Uh. Yes. Uh.
wow.
It will end in March.
Oh, so that's what you call summer?
Summer.
Uh-huh, summer.
Mm, yeah. Oh yes. Yeah.
Wow, summer. So, do you like summer or winter?
Uh, I like summer.
Oh, wow. Okay, summer. Let's enjoy the summer vacation. Hooray! Hooray. Okay. So this time, my dear, we will be learning. Tada!
Yes.
Can you read?
Saying if you don't understand,
Very good. Okay. Next, my dear. Oh, can you read?
of vocabulary, vocabulary, uh, dialogue, dialogue practice,
Okay, dialogue practice.
di, dialogue practice,
Oh,
dialogue practice, language, language posture and discussion,
yes. Language booster.
language posture and discussion,
Nice. Discussion.
discussion.
Oh, very good. Okay. So, what are we going to learn today? Wow. We have here
Uh,
one,
and
two, three, four, five, six new vocabularies.
yes,
Okay, can you read the first one, my dear?
uh, understand.
Yes, very good. Understand. Wow. So, can you make a
Uh,
sentence?
um, I understand. Uh, I understand how this uh art article article needs to be done.
Oh, wow. Can you say it again, my dear?
I understand how this article um need need to need to be need need to be done. Yes.
Ah, wow. Very good. Nice. I'm so proud of you, my dear.
Um,
Good job. Okay, next, my dear.
Get. Uh,
Okay, very
I
good.
I get up at uh 7 o'clock. Yes.
Wow, very good. And
In the morning.
oh yes. Very good. Wow, correct, my dear. Hmm. Next.
Uh, cold, cold,
Could. Could.
cold, cold.
Yes, very good. Okay, can you make a
Uh,
sentence, my dear?
I could uh singing some very high.
I could.
Sing uh, very high.
Wow, very good. Correct, my dear. Nice. I could fly very high.
Oh,
I can, I could fly very high. I can fly. Can you fly, my dear?
yeah.
Can you
Mm,
fly?
no, no. Uh, no, no fly.
No, I can.
No, I can't fly.
Because why, my dear? Why can't you fly?
Because I, uh, I, I am people, people.
Hmm? Good, because I am.
I am, uh, because I am people.
Or a human.
No, people.
Yes, I am a human or a person.
Person, yes.
Yes, person if it's singular, my dear. Meaning one person. Person,
Person.
one, people, two or more.
Ah, yes.
Oh,
Okay, I
oh,
see.
okay, because I am a person
Okay, because I am a person.
and
Um,
and I
I should have wings. Wings. Yeah.
Okay, can you say it one more time, my dear me?
Uh, because I am a person and I don't have wings to fly.
One more time.
Because I am a person uh, and
I don't
and
have.
I don't have wings to fly.
Wow, your listening skill is improving, my dear.
Yeah, thank
Ah,
you.
okay, very good. Okay, so next, my dear. Say.
So,
Okay, say.
um, my sister say, uh, my sister say, she really, she really, uh, like my dress. Yes.
Wow. Good job, my dear. Very good. Okay. How about say, can you make a sentence using the word say? And it's about your teacher at school, my dear.
có thể ví dụ về đây phỏng tới uh, yes.
Okay.
My teacher say my teacher say uh my teacher say me sing very good. He says I sing very good. Yes.
Okay, one more time.
My teacher say that I sing very good.
Oh, good job. Okay. Next, my dear.
Please.
Please, I know you're in there. People asking where you've been.
Um, mm, sentences. Sentences. Um, please help. Please, please help me. Uh, choose. Choose. Please help me choose. Choose. Yes. Uh, some um delicious apple. Apple.
Apple?
Yes.
I see. So please help me choose some delicious apple.
Yes.
Okay, it should be apples, my dear. Because
Uh,
you use
apple.
some. Mm.
Some.
Some refers to two or more.
Mm,
Some, two or more. Any
yes.
one.
No, some.
Okay, yes, some.
Yes.
Oh, very good, my dear. You're doing great. Wow. Heck. How about, hmm, could you please, could you please get me a bottle of water?
Oh,
Can you read, my
yes.
dear?
Could you please get me a picture, a letter?
Oh, very good. One more time.
Uh, could you please get me, could you please get me butter, water?
Yeah, very good. Okay. Hmm. Next, my dear.
Milk,
Mean.
mean,
Very good.
mean,
Mean.
mean. Uh, mean. Uh, this spells this spell mean means a lot a lot. This spell mean
Can you say it one more time, my dear?
uh this spell,
Pen?
yes, mean a lot a lot a lot to me.
Mm.
A lot to me too. Uh, because it is God is
Because?
uh is is yes a gift a gift a gift from my best friend. Yes,
Wow! Can you read again, my dear?
this spell means a lot to me because it's a gift from my best friend.
Wow! Very good. Good job, my dear. It's a complex sentence. A complete sentence, my dear. It's a complete sentence.
Ah,
Very good. Nice. So this time, hmm,
mm,
can you hmm, can you make a sentence? Can you make one sentence using all of the vocabularies that you
mm, mm,
these vocabularies, my dear?
mm.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Okay.
I,
No?
yes, no,
Okay.
I
So,
know, I'm not.
okay, can you say it, my dear? No, I can't.
Yeah, child.
Okay, so let's try, my dear. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Hmm. Mm. Let us think, understand. Mm. Get could say please mean. Let's try. Mm.
yes.
Could you please say it again? I I can't get or understand what you mean.
Oh, yeah, good, it's great.
Did you understand this one, my dear?
Yeah, could you please say it again? I can get or understand what you mean.
Yes.
Hmm.
Very good. Okay, one more time, my dear.
Could you please, could you,
Could
could
you
you
please
please, uh, again,
say
say again, uh, third,
mm, I
third, I, I can, I can, uh,
I can. Good, good.
can get, understand, that, uh,
What?
that's
What
what, what,
you
what you mean.
Yes, very
Hmm.
good. Could you please say it again? I
Yeah,
can't get or understand what
understand.
you mean.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, wow, very good, my dear. Nice. Okay, so this time, oh, let's practice a dialogue. Okay.
Time. Good morning. Good morning. Can I help you? I want to open a bank account. Okay, you will get one number, and while you are waiting for your number to be called, please fill this form. Form. Do you understand? Yes, I got it.
Wow, very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Form.
Form.
Yes, form.
Form.
Yes, one
Form.
more time, my dear. Form.
Form.
Okay, very good, my dear. Okay, this time I will be David and you will be Kate. Okay, I will read David and you will be Kate.
Yes.
Okay, so good morning, Miss Me.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Oh, I want to open a bank account.
Okay, you will get one number, and while you are waiting for your number to be called, uh, please, please fill this form. Form. Do you understand?
Yes, I got it. Wow, very good, my dear me. Good job. Okay. Oh, wow. Can you read this one, my dear?
Yes. Uh, do you understand? Yes, understand. Yes, I got it. Sorry, I don't understand that. Sorry, could you say that again, please? Sorry, what does that mean?
Okay, so I'll ask a question, my dear, and you can choose your answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so my dear me, do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay. Next, my dear me, do you understand?
Yes, I got it.
Oh, do you understand?
Uh, Sorry, I don't understand that.
So do you understand?
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Okay. Do you understand?
Sorry, I got that meal.
Nice. So can you say it one more time, my dear? What does?
What does that mean?
Okay, wow. Very good, my dear me. You did well tonight.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Wow. You are you are improving your speaking and listening skill.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy your weekend, my dear.
Yeah.
Enjoy.